Ciao to everyone, it's Brian here from Vega Cylinders Marketing. Let's have a look on our brand new website design. Wow, that looks really good. So let's sign up. Here we create our account, Mr. Brian Bonini. I work for Vega Cylinders, of course, and let's leave my email. Oh, I have thousands of addresses, but let's stay with this one. And don't forget about the super secret password. Please sign up to our newsletter, you won't regret it, and confirm the privacy policy. And of course, leave your phone number. I don't want my password to be remembered, my loss. Great, thank you for signing up. Thank you, Vega Cylinders. Once you have done this, please confirm your email address and wait a while because we have to validate your registration. And boom, we are in. Let's jump now to the products page. Such a wide choice. What can I buy this time? Let it be the V270CG with the self-locking system. It's a great hydraulic cylinder. We can find many informations in here, but let's go back and find how the 3D configurator really works. Now we have to follow these steps. Select the bore. Yes sir, let it be 45 with inductive PNP switches. Safety elastic ring? I want it. Select a pressure holding option, check valve. And now the time for the stroke. 90 it is. Okay, we are almost done here. Preload flange please, and anti-torque rodent accessory of course. Yeah. Now let's wait for the 3D image. It will take few seconds. Meanwhile, look at the unique products code that we have created. And here our 3D image appears. Looks really good, as requested. I will zoom in now. Okay, and let's see how the animation of the extended rod works. Perfect. By clicking here, you can download 3 types of files that may be useful for you. Now let's proceed to the last step. Purchase options. We have 2 possibilities, buy a cylinder or pre-order. Pre-ordering means that we want to confirm everything with our sales department and receive a quotation via email. Fill the empty boxes and don't change the subject. Choose the quantity and leave us a message. Confirm the last 2 boxes and it's done. No, I'm not a robot. Thank you for watching this short video. Please comment and share.